Now, it's time for the make or break moment. Remember, AI is moving faster than any technology we have ever seen. Every minute you wait, the gap between those who embrace AI and those who do not grows wider. This is the biggest wealth shift in history, and the window of opportunity is closing fast. If you don't act now, you risk missing out on the chance to be part of this revolution. The strategies we've covered, from using AI tools to automate business tasks, to creating faceless YouTube channels, to harnessing the power of AI copywriting, and even to consulting for companies, are working right now. People are making money with AI every day, and you have the chance to join them. Think about it, the same technology that is replacing old jobs is also creating new, exciting opportunities. The next few years will determine who comes out on top in this AI-driven economy. Will you be the one who leverages these tools to build wealth, or will you be left behind watching others succeed? This moment is your call to action. Don't wait for the future to arrive, create it yourself. In the next section, I will show you how to future-proof your skills and stay ahead of AI before it's too late. But for now, remember, the tools are available, the methods are proven, and the time to act is now. Every second you hesitate is a second lost in the race for wealth and success in the AI revolution. As we wrap up this section, reflect on what you've seen. Real people, just like you, are using AI to build lucrative income streams. They are harnessing technology to work smarter, not harder, and you can do the same. Whether you choose to automate your business with AI tools, build a faceless YouTube channel, dive into the world of AI copywriting, or offer your expertise as a consultant, the path is clear. The future belongs to those who take action today, and there is no better time than now. So, ask yourself, are you ready to join the ranks of the AI millionaires? Will you seize this opportunity and transform your financial future? The strategies we've explored are simple, proven, and within your reach. Now is the moment to take control of your destiny, use AI to your advantage, and build the wealth that you deserve. Remember, the AI revolution isn't waiting for anyone. It is here, it is growing, and it is reshaping our world in real time. If you commit to these steps, if you invest in learning and using these powerful tools, you can secure a future of financial freedom and success. The time to act is now, and the rewards are waiting for those who dare to take the leap. Let this be the turning point in your journey. Embrace the power of AI, follow these step-by-step methods, and become part of the new era of wealth creation. In the next section, we will discuss how to protect and grow your newfound success, ensuring that you stay ahead in this fast-paced, ever-changing digital world. Until then, remember, your future is in your hands, and with AI, it can be brighter than ever.